Hey guys, so I'm about to hit the town, go shopping, so come along with me. Let's go have some fun and let's see what I can get, what kind of hauls and stuff I can buy while I'm in Vegas. I don't know if you could see the beautiful outside. This is our view from the room. It's really, really pretty. We're staying at the Cosmopolitan in Vegas. First time staying here at this hotel. I have some mixed opinions and maybe I'll share that in another video and give you kind of my review of the Cosmopolitan if you're interested in seeing it. But meanwhile, please make sure you subscribe, like, comment. Let me know if there's any other things you'd like me to do on my channel, or if there's any other places you'd like me to check out. Just let me know. Make sure you comment down below and hit that bell if you want to be notified whenever I have new videos, because that's kind of cool too. You'll be part of my notification squad. All right, guys. See you in a bit. Bye. I'm about to head into the mall, or the outlet, South Las Vegas Premium Outlets, see what I can get. I'll try to vlog a little bit. I am going to finish up my breakfast. I got an acai berry. Oops, I just banged it on the roof. I got an acai crunch, and it was, it's actually pretty good. It was a smoothie, but they added granola, coconut, pumpkin seeds, and I think it has strawberries, blueberries, acai, coconut water. I'll make sure to link it down below, but it's really, really good. So I sucked out all I could while I was driving and walking through the hotel, but now I'm gonna finish this up really quick and then I will head in because I'm hungry and this is my breakfast, and it is 11:45, so I guess it's kind of more like my brunch then in that case. The only problem I have when I eat these kind of things, I'm always afraid that something's gonna get stuck in my tooth, or right in the middle, right in the front of my teeth, and I'm gonna be like, oh, I can't talk. So I'm gonna do a voiceover from this point on. It was very loud in the store, but first I went to Lane Bryant. I work at Lane Bryant here in Los Angeles when I was 18. But I picked out a few items that I thought looked kind of cool or that I wanted to try on. And I'm going to show you a quick little video of me trying on the different things. And for most of the items, I'm showing you the price, just so that you're familiar with that as well. So the first item was this dark blue top. It was $44.95 in the size 22-24. I liked the top, thought it was nice. It fit really nice. I loved the button on the sleeve, and it was nice and comfy. And I'm just checking it out. Taking a look at it, debating whether I want it or not. And then the next item was the spaghetti strap type of top. It was $29.95 in the size 18-20. It was nice, definitely a good top to wear underneath different shirts or jackets. I love the design on the top, and on the bottom it had like a lace type of material, and then I ended up wearing this jacket over it. It was $79.95. Thought it was nice, and it matched with that undershirt. It was cute, comfy. Kind of reminded me of like a Nautica type of jacket. And then I ended up trying this clearance top for $18.98. I thought it was pretty. The ruffles kind of on the sleeves, I didn't like the way it was falling too much. It kind of like moved around and wasn't really my style. I usually like the cold shoulder type of tops, but I don't know. I was having some fun with the ruffles though. And then I ended up trying on this bathing suit cover. Thought it was really nice. It was nice, comfy. I love how the sleeves fit. It kind of reminded me, it's not really a poncho, but kind of reminded me of it. And it was nice. A little pricey though, if you ask me. And then I ended up trying on this cardigan. It was on sale as well, size 18-20. And it was a good price. I love the color green. Green is definitely one of my favorite colors, especially that darker, kind of like an army green. Having some fun with it, and the music was jamming in the store. But yeah, it was nice. Then I ended up going to Maurices, and I am showing you around the dressing room. Thought it was kind of cute. I love their decorations, and then they have the love it and leave it. So right now I'm showing you all the items that I ended up trying on, and shall get into it. First item I put on is that jacket. I think floral patterns are in now. I've noticed there's a lot of floral patterns, and I liked it. I thought it was a nice jacket, but it was $39. And then I ended up trying on this kind of a lavender purplish top. I thought it was pretty too. I love the design on it, but it just wasn't wowing me. And then this top, oh my god, I love this top. I love peep top. What do they call it? Cold shoulder, not peep tops. Jeez. The cold shoulder tops. Thought it was really, really nice, comfy, soft, stretchy, and it was $26 in the size 2. Then I tried this orange top. It was nice too, but I like stretchy tops, so it was cool. The size 2 also, $29. Then I ended up trying on this red top. I love the embroidery around the sleeves, the flowers. I thought it was really pretty. And $36 in the size 2. And then I ended up trying on this dress. Thought it was nice. It was comfy. I like the sleeves and the pattern on the dress. It was $49, size 2. And then I tried on this red dress. It was cute too, and I forgot to show you the price. But yeah, it's pretty much my first day of shopping. Hope you like it. Make sure to stay tuned for the video that shows you what I ended up buying. Alright, love you guys. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment. Bye!